Hi everyone and welcome for the next Pride Month video using the rainbow colors, and this time a 30 by 30 centimeter canvas again. And guess what? I found a roll of rope and wanted to make a string pull pour, which I actually never really do. I did those a couple of times, not really often, and you probably really have to look for those videos if you want to find them on my channel. But I wanted to use them for a rainbow topic again, because it really felt like a fitting technique. And so I started off making a white underlayer of paint on my canvas and wanted to pour all the rainbow colors on top of the white, not much, just a bit of the color, and added a rope into it. Probably it would have been enough to just put the rope into the paint and dragging it over the canvas, but I just didn't. And this is what I'm doing here, and final goal was to get some kind of cool design when I drag these ropes through the middle of the canvas. So I created myself a little hook tool, which you can see in the end, so I can hook up each of these strings in the middle and just drag them over the canvas. And this is basically everything that I did for this project. It is pretty simple, straightforward, no pun intended. And yeah, it was pretty fun. I'm not sure if I like the design though, so if I like how the paints work together. Patrick really likes it, so it's fine for me. And I used the torch to bring up some of the cells, which basically also appeared naturally because I added silicone to each of the paints. So it really was fun, and this is everything that counts for such kind of artwork. It was pretty simple. I would love to see if you made something like that yourself, if you have successful string pulls yourself. So if you like, tag me on Instagram or show me on Facebook so that I can see what you created successfully with probably the same color palette or something else with the string pull technique. If you like the video, make sure to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon if you like to not miss any of my new coming videos. I also have planned some more realism videos coming for the future. I still have a couple of brewing videos and resin stuff until those start again, but they're going to come, so stay tuned for this as well. And yeah, if you would like to get in touch with me, all my social media links are down below in the video description. Everything you need to get in touch with me and also the materials that I've used, you can find there. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and other than that, I hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.